Alright folks, this is a box open video for the EZVIZ Husky bullet camera. You can see, even by the picture, it's showing that this is a mount that's from a ceiling down. This is a great bullet camera. I want to show you some of the first things. Number one, you can get the app on the App Store, Google Play, and you can set it up with it, as well as some other ways I'll show you or tell you about in a second. Number one, this one is indoor and outdoor placement. So some of the other cameras I'll show you over time, or other ones you may see box open, they're only indoor. This one is outdoor. So again, this one works outdoor. It is waterproof to a certain extent. A very good camera for outdoor. It's the only one I recommend at this point for this kind of work. Wi-Fi or PoE, so that's great. It's got secure cloud recording. It's optional. Dustproof, waterproof, that's perfect. Micro SD slot for up to 128 gigs. That's huge. In case you wondered, the number is 128 gigs. Motion detection alerts through app. Night vision up to 100 feet. That's huge, folks. That's a third of a football field. So 100 feet night vision. 1080 full video. Now, some of the other ones you'll see are only 720. This is 1080 full HD, 2 megapixels integrated. So that's perfect. And this works with Amazon's Echo Show. So again, this is another great one to work with the Echo Show. That's why I'm showing them here. These are the only ones that I recommend at this point for folks to use. So the first thing is, let's get this guy open. All right, here we go. Somebody taking my knife. There we go. Great. Let's pull the bottom off here. And the box inside looks like this. You see that here? And there's a little tab right here. Let's do this. Right there. All right. Now inside of here, you can see all of this stuff. Yay. So let's look what we got. We got a drill template, which is going to be important because you're going to mount this thing, right? So I'm going to set that here. You've got your bullet camera quick start guide, which has a QR code on the bottom so you can get the apps. And you can see the setup, basic setup in here. Wow, look at that. It connects to a PoE switch if you want, or into just power socket. That's perfect. Camera setups here. More camera setup. Oh, in case you want to connect it, I see that. Connecting cables and appendix. Of course, the other would be other languages. So it comes in multiple languages. That's going here. Contact card for customer support is right there. You've got your warranty information, of course. And let's start getting into all these pieces. So again, this is a waterproof thing. So you got waterproof connectors for conduit for the cables. You've got sinkers, anchors and screws to be able to mount it. You got your power cable. Let's look at what the power cable looks like. It's an actual power cable. Some of the other ones made by this client or this company, the cable's a mini USB. This is not. This is an actual power cable, and it looks like, yes, it's a 12 volt 1 amp. So that's an actual 12 volt 1 amp. And that's a hard one to find. So you're not going to want to lose this thing or mess it up. Make sure that if you buy this used, it comes with the power cable. That's an important piece. Then inside of here, you've got the rest of the device. So let's pull it out, and it's nicely packaged in here. I like how they do that. And there it is, guys. Look at that guy. Wow, that is something. QR code on the side for setup information. Not showing you that. And then you've got the cabling wrapped around it. And if you're using this in a business, office or whatever, this is very nice. I mean, folks, this is a nice camera for office space. You can see how it's set up. It's got the 100-foot, night vision. You can tell that it's got that there. It's got nice screen protectors on it. This thing's very well set up. You can feel this is very heavy duty. This is not just a light plastic camera. It's a lot of metal in here. This is a metal-based die cast or something, and very, very thick pieces right here. So you'd set this up from the ceiling, something like this, and that would be a great bullet camera, and it's going to go a distance. So this is not a small thing. If you're using this at your house in order to see the front door, you're going to get a great view because, you know, if your front door is close to where this is set, I mean, you're going to see their faces clearly. If you're angled up in an eave of a house and you're looking down at a door, this thing's going to get so much information off of them. It's going to be unbelievable. You're going to see folks' faces clearly with this joker. So with that said, that's the end of this unboxing. And I want to invite you to not to forget to subscribe, and then also check out all the other videos we do for not just unboxing, but the tutorials on setting these up, both with the app, as well as a tutorial we'll do on using it with the Echo Show, because that's how we're going to use it. And then again, don't forget to subscribe to Nerd Chic. If you want updates on what's going on and you want to see more stuff like this, you need to subscribe. So subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.